Hey guys, today let's try how to lock our photo gallery on iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to lock the photo galleries on our iPhone device, right here in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. Alright, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and proceed with tapping on the Photos application and then actually selecting the photos that you'd like to go ahead and hide. So we could go ahead and choose a specific option from our albums over here and then choose specific options or photos for us to hide and lock. Directly, we cannot actually lock our Photos application right from the get-go. But what we can do is a quick workaround on this by selecting the photos that we want to go ahead and hide, tapping on this three dots icon, and then tapping on hide right here. What this is going to do is it's going to add these photos to your hidden album, and that hidden album is going to be located right here. As you would notice, when I tap on this, it actually allows me to use my Face ID to unlock this album. So from here, I want you to go ahead and tap on the settings in order for us to enable this, and that is going to be located on the Photos application. So scroll down until you see Photos and then tap on Use Face ID, so that it's going to use Face ID to be required to view the hidden and also the recently deleted albums. So it's that easy, guys, to lock your photo gallery on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching and take care.